Hello, I'm going to demonstrate how index tuning for SQL statement in our DB Ace Enterprise for Oracle. Now if you got a SQL statement here, you open the Tune SQL module and paste a SQL statement here. Normally you can tune the SQL with rewrite or hints injection to improve a SQL statement, but sometimes you cannot improve a SQL statement with SQL rewrite, and you want to have an index recommendation tool that can improve the SQL statement with better performance. Let's see if you've got SQL statement here. You can press the index page and then press recommend index for the SQL statement. Let's use the default setting. It will be okay for most SQL statements. Now the SQL statement is going to be investigated in our AI engine. The engine will try different ways to compose indexes to improve this SQL statement. Take a look at the SQL statement. We got a 4-table joined together, and you can imagine all columns of individual table is indexed already. For example, even the salary history salary is indexed already. So how can we further improve this SQL statement? Normally you will think that there may be a composite index can help to improve the SQL statement. Let's see why the composite index will be helpful or not. Now the engine is trying to investigate most possibility that can help to improve the SQL statement. There are 52 set of indexes find for this SQL statement, which means there are 52 different index combinations that can help your database SQL optimizer to generate unit execution plan for the SQL statement. You can see that the first one, we've got the composite indexes like these. Let's take a look on this grid table and the employee salary table. There are salary history salary effective day and salary employee ID as a composite index. And at the same time we have a commanded employee grade, employee department and employee ID employee name for the employee table together. What we mean indexes set, that is a set of indexes to improve the SQL statement. It is not a single table. Indexes recommendation. There are many indexes recommendation tools in the market, but most of them just recommend indexes for one table in a SQL. But our engine can recommend indexes for many tables in a SQL statement to improve the performance of a SQL statement. For example, this index set 3 recommends 3 indexes to improve the SQL statement, and 2 indexes for employee table and employee history as well. So there will be a total 3 indexes for this SQL statement to improve the performance of this SQL statement. But of course it don't necessary to select that complicated indexes recommendation. Probably the index set 2. Index set 1 has a similar performance. You can use the index set 1 to apply to your database. It will be already good for this SQL statement. Thank you for watching our demonstration for a single SQL statement. Thank you.